Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of gadgets so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on a dud. Today, we've got an aerial battle between two sky warriors, the Holy Stone HS720E and the TENSSENX GPS Drone. Who's gonna soar to the top? Who's gonna crash and burn? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with the first thing everyone checks: the price tag. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720E coming in at a cool $399. And on the right, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone at a much lighter $169. According to reviews, the Holy Stone HS720E offers high-quality features and excellent durability, making it worth the investment. However, TENSSENX is praised for being highly functional and affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget. Now, let's talk cameras. Holy Stone sports a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. Reviewers rave about its excellent video and picture quality, calling it the James Bond of drone cameras. On the flip side, TENSSENX also rocks a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. While it's good, it doesn't quite match up to the Holy Stone, especially with some reviewers mentioning connectivity issues. So Holy Stone wins this round, making your Instagram feed look like it was shot by a pro, while TENSSENX is more like, hey, at least it's not potato quality. Next up, flight features. Holy Stone comes with Follow Me, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and is as stable as a rock thanks to its GPS and optical flow system. Reviewers highlight its stability and ease of use, making it a loyal pet that never gets lost. TENSSENX, on the other hand, brings in the heavy artillery with GPS auto return home, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and more. It's described as the Swiss Army knife of drones, but some users have reported issues with the auto return home feature. Holy Stone is like the Tesla of drones, while TENSSENX is more like your reliable old Toyota. What about flight time? Both drones come with 2 batteries, giving you a total of 46 minutes in the sky. Reviewers from both camps appreciate the extended flight time, noting it as a strong point for both models. So, no winner here. Both drones are equally committed to keeping you in the air longer than your last relationship. Let's talk portability. Holy Stone comes with a carrying bag, making it super convenient to lug around. But TENSSENX takes it up a notch with its foldable design and the fact that it's less than 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration needed. Reviewers love the convenience and ease of use of both models, but TENSSENX stands out for its portability and lightweight design. Holy Stone is like, I'm fancy but a bit high maintenance, while TENSSENX is all, I'm the easygoing backpacker of drones. Reviewers appreciate the Holy Stone HS720E for its high-quality features, durability, and excellent camera, making it a great value option. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and portability, making it a fantastic option for beginners and those on a budget. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking to splurge and want top-notch camera quality and a plethora of features, Holy Stone HS720E is your go-to. But if you're budget-conscious and want a reliable, no-fuss travel buddy, TENSSENX GPS Drone is your best bet. Let us know in the comments which drone you think took the crown today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep those wallets happy and those skies clear. Product links are in the description.